Okay, so now that you have your final draft Cro-Magnon essay open, we're actually going to, when I assigned this to you, I wanted it to have this special feature on there that's going to help you guys out a lot, but for some reason it didn't show up. So it's going to be very, very, very easy if you just follow the steps with me, okay? So all you're going to do right now is take your cursor right here, and you're going to highlight your entire essay. So just highlight it from top to bottom. Mine isn't written out, but just highlight everything that you have for your essay. And then I would like you to go and hit copy. So you can either go and push Command C or Control C, that's what I do. Or I believe you can go up to File or Edit and then hit copy right there, okay? So either way, please copy your entire document. When you have copied your document and when you've hit Control C or you've copied it from the edit button, please put your thumbs up in the chat so I know you're ready to move on. Once you've copied your document, please put your thumbs up in the chat so I know you're ready. Okay, so now what you're going to do, and this is super easy, I've added a feature on that's going to really help you. So just go to the very top of your Cro-Magnon essay section, and the very, very first assignment that's all capitalized, that is actually your final draft because, like I said, I added something to help you. So go ahead and let me make sure that it's on there. It was for my first period, but I still, let me open up Braylon's and just see if it's there. I'm sure it is, but I want to make sure.
About that,
So,
I made
wait,
a new.
Oh, Braylon, I'm so sorry. Braylon, just 1 second, please. Yours was blank. Everybody's is blank. I was just checking on one little thing. So now what you guys need to do is paste whatever you just copied into there, into your final draft. So go ahead and do it right now. And then I'm going to show you a new feature. And then Braylon, you can tell me, you can give me a private message in just a second. So paste your essay into this new document, which is all capitals. It says final draft in all capitals, and it says due October 20th. It's just at the very top of your page. And I'm going to show you something you can do with your document now. Bailey, I can see that you have done it. Let's see. I just want to, once you've pasted it over and it's there, put your thumbs in the chat. Thumbs up in the chat, excuse me. So once you've pasted over to the final draft, due October 20th, please put your thumbs up in the chat. I can see Rajan, you did it. Okay, several thumbs up in the chat, thank you. Okay, it looks like most of you. So let me just scroll down to check in with Brandon and Braylon. Were you able to paste your essay into the new format?
Sorry, my bad. I'm just doing it now.
Okay, and then Brandon, were you able to do that? I'm going to delete the other file. That's why I need to know. I'm taking it off of Google Classroom is what I'm saying. So you'll have to go to your documents to find it if you haven't done that. Gabe, can you please unmute? And Hannah, can you unmute and let me know if you've done that? Same with Kira and Landon. Were you able to paste?
No.
Who is that? Landon?
Gabe.
Gabe, okay, can you do that now, please? Okay, while they're trying to do that, I am going to delete your, well, no, I shouldn't do that. Let's see. Faisal, did you paste yet into the document, Faisal? I can't tell.
Yeah, I pasted it.
Can I share your document with the class to show them the new feature?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Okay, guys, so this is really important for you to see how to use this. So, Faisal, you actually only get to do this twice. So, I'm going to do the first one, and then you'll get to do two more if you want to. This is a paid feature on Google Classroom, so I haven't paid for it. So, that's why you will only get to do it twice or three times. So, it's called, it's a plagiarism check. So, plagiarizing is when you either on purpose or on accident copy information without changing it from the internet, okay, or from a book or other places. So, what I'm going to do right now is run a check on his work. Faisal, is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay.
So, here we go. It's called an originality report, and you guys all have this. Now, you're going to have to go into File, and then you have to do it. It's not going to be in the upper right-hand corner.
Wait,
but
I think I've done that. Oh, pressure. I think I've done that one.
Okay, so Faisal has one flagged passage, and if I click on that, it will tell me what it is. So let's scroll down here. I hope we're able to see it because everything else is highlighted. I actually can't see it. Is it here? That's interesting because you guys have so many things highlighted that it might not show up. But let's scroll up, and it's telling him that there's one. Oh, here it is. It's going to show you. So Faisal, right here is the flagged passage, and down here is what they're telling you that you copied. So let's see if it's true. Sometimes they get it wrong, and I will always look to make sure. So the student's passage says, Cro-Magnons would have never survived the Ice Age. Homo sapiens did not just make amazing tools, they specialized them and made them more complex and, okay? So let's go ahead and look at what they're saying he copied. Homo sapiens not only made and used tools, they also. Do you guys think that he plagiarized? Do you think he copied directly from this article right here? I'm just asking you to say that in your minds, and I'm going to say, no way. That's different. That's very different. So sometimes it will flag your passage. Almost always, though, that's actually the first time I've ever used it where it's flagged something that was clearly not supposed to be flagged. But I won't just believe Google. I will read what they're telling me was plagiarized. So you don't have to worry about that. But all of you guys should do that check on your own article. So you're actually good. Faisal, you don't need to worry about that. Okay, so I'm going to run an originality report on everybody's documents. So please make sure you do that too before tomorrow. Okay, so everyone's document must be. Let me show you. Just want to make sure you remember to do this. Every single person's document must be here. Okay, you absolutely must be in this first one that's posted. I'm going to remove the one underneath it at the end of class today. So if you can't find it, it's not like it's gone forever. It just means that it's going to be in your drive, okay? So again, this is your final draft right here, the very, very first one. This next one that says final draft Cro-Magnon essay, I'm removing soon. Any questions just about copying and pasting into your into the new document so you can run your originality report. Okay. All right, and then this is your assignment right now. This is going to help you out so much. Today we're going to edit our document. You are personally going to edit. Edit is not, show me. So edit doesn't mean to change your writing and make it sound better and add adjectives and adverbs. We did that yesterday. That doesn't mean you can't do it today. You can. But today we're going to focus on editing. So we're going to go through and make sure, did you capitalize the beginning of each sentence? Is there punctuation for every single sentence? Did you indent your paragraphs, etc.? Did you include a thesis? All of that. So I'm going to show you a document that was created for this purpose, okay? So everybody, again, you're going to go right on over to Google Classroom. Go ahead and scroll down to assignment number 9. Okay, this has gotten a little bit out of order. Sorry about that. So now it's back in order. So it goes from to 10. You're going to click on 10. Right here, click on assignment number 10 and go ahead and open that up. And you each have your own document. You are going to look at your own document. So this is self-editing, and I would really like you to fill the entire thing out. Please do not just put X's without looking at your paper. I literally want you to go and look at your paper and see, did you include a lead or a hook? If you did, you're going to put Y. That means yes. Do you think that your lead or hook would grab, I mean, obviously you wrote it, but would it grab someone's attention? Was it really good? Was it exciting? Does it make somebody want to read the paper? If you say no, well, then you know you have to work on that. So you're going to basically go through every single one of these, okay, and check it off as a yes, you included it, or no, you did not. Then right here, I want you to write a note to yourself. What changes do I still need to make? You're going to write yourself, I still need to do, and then write down what you need to change. And then what do you think you did well in this paper? So all of this is going to be done right now while we are together. Well, I know you probably have questions. So what questions do you have? Patrick.
I have one question.
Okay.
Is it all right if I get extension until tomorrow after school?
Well, they're
so
all.
I can work on it.